create a full-time income with 30 minutes a day. Hi there, this presentation is only going to be a few minutes long, so make sure you sit tight and watch until the end, where I will make you a special offer. You are going to love it. Hi, my name is Colin Brazendale and I've been an affiliate marketer for the last 8 years. Let's strip out all the fluff and get exactly to what needs to happen for you to start earning a job replacing affiliate income online. You simply need the following: a high converting offer, an affordable and scalable source of targeted traffic, an easy and affordable system to copy for you and your referrals or your team. If you have those three components, my friends, the rest will fall into place. After testing and promoting literally hundreds of affiliate offers and pouring thousands upon thousands of dollars into buying traffic, I finally paired the perfect affiliate offer to the perfect traffic source. I've never seen a higher converting affiliate offer, and I've never found a more affordable yet targeted traffic source. When you combine these two together, you'll start to earn massive monthly commissions. The affiliate offer is called the Prosperity Marketing System. It has been around since 2009, and what has me excited about it is that they've recently upgraded the compensation plan so that you and I will be rewarded with the monthly 100% commissions. The conversions are through the roof. It's affordable for virtually everybody, and the monthly residual income is massive. The Prosperity Marketing System is a front-end funnel system that will help you earn money while you build your own current business, build your list, and it has built-in income streams on the back end. It is truly an easy way to make money as an affiliate, I have seen. Now let's talk about the second component, traffic. Recently, a mentor of mine showed me a source of traffic that was not only highly targeted, but it only cost pennies. That's right, pennies. In an age where traffic is getting super expensive and it's getting harder and harder to be profitable, it is the holy grail of cheap traffic. I can almost guarantee you haven't heard of it unless you have followed me in the last 6 months. It's not Facebook PPC, it's not Bing ads, Solar ads, or Google ads, or any of those worn out and expensive methods. And it just so happens to be a perfect traffic source for our offer of choice, the Prosperity Marketing System. Well, I have a training video that will show you exactly how to start capitalizing on this traffic method fast. And let me tell you folks, even brand new newbies can get tons of targeted traffic just minutes after watching the training video. This is without a doubt the most easy and simple traffic method I've ever come across. Would you like to see the training? Well, there's a catch. The training is exclusively for people who join me in Prosperity Marketing System. You will not find this training anywhere else. So here's what to do next. Click below this video and take a free tour of the Prosperity Marketing System. You'll quickly see the immense value of the system and how it can help you build a 6-figure income this year. Then take the 100% free 7-day trial and the traffic training module will immediately become unlocked for your viewing pleasure. If you choose to stay on and earn a 6-figure income with me after the 7-day trial, it is only $12 per month. If you decide you want to cancel during the 7-day trial, you can do that with one click. But I'll be honest, most don't because they start earning during the first 7 days. Watch the affiliate compensation plan inside Prosperity Marketing System to see how big the money can get from just promoting a $12 per month affiliate offer. It's not even including all the back-end cash you'll make when you plug it into the system. When you have the ultimate affiliate system set up and have a targeted stream of traffic, leads and buyers pumping cash into your bank account as soon as today, you have nothing to lose, as you can unlock my traffic training by taking a 100% free trial today. I'll see you in the training. Click below. Bye for now.